Now we will show you how to make
Sando! Before that, let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Salma Salsabira.
My name is Azalea Aura Tatanegara.
My name is Balgi Cecilia.
My name is Maya Atika Samir.
Keep watching, guys!
Watching!
Oh my god, the sando looks so fresh. I think that's good.
How about we try to make it?
Let's try to make it.
Let's go!
Now we will show you
How to make Sando!
The materials are bread, fruits, cold water, sugar, and whipped cream. Are cutting board, knife, plate, spoon, manual mixer, glass, and plastic wrap.
For the steps, firstly, preparing the bread and cut the edge of the bread. Secondly, put in 2 until 3 spoon whipped cream and add sugar 1 until 2 spoon. Sweet 1 dash. And add cold water too, and you can mix that. If the cream is ready, you can apply the cream on the bread. And then wash the fruit. After that, cut the fruit into the piece. And then stack the fruit on the bread, which has been coated with cream layer. If done, pile of fruit and add again the whipped cream and close with the bread on top. Wrap the bread with plastic wrap. Freeze in freezer 13 minutes until 1 hour. Enjoy the sando while it's cold. So easy, right? You can make this too. Good luck!